Yeah, we're trying to get rid of that sucky sound from the carburetor. I don't really like that personally. It's all right. Other people like it, but I don't. And this was directly onto the carburetor, and it was doing the job. It's a double layer, but it just made a sucky sound. And then, of course, the carburetor wasn't drawing a whole lot of, it was just too free flowing. It didn't seem to be as responsive. This new filter is making a huge difference on the response, and of course the noise is gone, and it looks proper. So the new filter, as you can see, draws from the blower housing, like originally how the original filter did, and keeps out of the, pretty much out of the water if you're splashing around. It's up high, it's in there. And then the suction is right there at the carburetor. Big Donaldson filter in there, nice. Got the whole thing for like 56 bucks. The filter housing with the filter in it. And then in my situation, I cut this, I bought a piece of radiator hose that was the same diameter as the carburetor and the filter, and cut it. I got something with a lot of elbows and turns, and cut the pieces to fit, as you see here on the carburetor, and then the sharp turn going into the air, the blower, the cooling housing, was right there too. So perfect, everything worked out great. Really lucky how it turned out. It was hitting the bar to the that supports the front roll bar brush guard. It was hitting that, so I had to keep shortening until it was right up against the carburetor. But tight. It's all good, and it sounds good. I just took it out for a run out back, and I don't have a videographer yet. I need somebody. My wife's gonna help me out, but she's not here right now. Yeah, ran it out there. Everything was beautiful, and I will post this video.